Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and I'm going to show you the yarns that I got when I went to Hobbycraft. So, what did I buy? That is I'll show you the bag, but it's huge. So I did get some nice bits and pieces and probably more than I should. So, start with the normal kind of stuff first. I got some of this, which is the Women's Institute Premium Acrylic Yarn. Beautiful coloured blue. I really like this. And this is a DK. The colour, what do they call this? Let's have a look. Just has a number of 6767-3 turquoise. And I got one, two, I've got three of these. There's another one in there somewhere. I think I got three. I'll come across the other one if I haven't dropped it on the floor as I was bringing it in. So that's that one. And then I got some of this Hayfield bonus. It's called Breeze and it says extra value DK. So it's a 3-weight again, the same as the last one. But I love this colour. Absolutely love these. So I thought I'll have to have it. And this one was crazy soft, absolutely beautiful soft. This one is lovely and soft. It's not as soft as that, but it is lovely. And this is called Embers, which is shade 477 or 0477, and called Embers, which is lovely, lovely, lovely. I didn't tell you the yardage on that one. I'll do it in a sec. 100% acrylic, and if I can find, why do they keep, just all one way would be nice. Maybe it's me, maybe I'm blind. Embers, right, that's what I'm looking at. Trying to see if I can find the yardage. I'm not having a lot of success. I have a pair of glasses here somewhere. I know I do. Ah, they're here. Sorry about the light making me look like I'm holidaying Chernobyl, but it's just, there we go, hello. Maybe that'll be better. Let's have a little look, see. 280 metres or 306 yards approximately, 100 gram ball and 100% acrylic. Isn't it gorgeous colours though? That's the Breeze, bonus Breeze, in the colours Embers. I don't know why it's called Embers. You know, I think of Embers as being burnt colours. And you think of that as burnt colours. So let's just get this one, because I forgot to tell you in my excitement what this one is. 250 metres, and it's just 100% acrylic, but it does feel premium. Just so soft. So yeah, that's that one and that one. So then I also got some of the James C. Brett Driftwood DK in this colour, and oh my god, this is the squishiest of squishies. And this has 290 metres or 316 yards. It's 100% anti-pilling acrylic, and it's just a shade number of DW03. And I've got 1, 2, 3 of those. I think there is another one of the Breeze as well in there. Maybe. There it is. Another Breeze. Might have only got 2 of those others. So I actually got myself some of these knitting needles that are on the cord. I just got 2 to try, a 5.5 and an 8. So I just thought I'd give them a go. I've never used them before, so I wanted to see what they'd be like. Oh, I did get 3. There it is. So yeah, just a couple of those. Don't look, Madonna. Don't look, Ethel. I think you have to be from the UK to know that joke. Right, so I decided that I like the look of this yarn. It was ultra soft and really fluffy. Lovely colours. And I thought I'd maybe make something for Gary. He said, don't make me a hat. So I said, I'm going to make you a hat. It's 90% acrylic and a 10% alpaca. And it's called Leader of the Pack, PAC, Packer. And upside down as usual. No. Yarn length is 170 metres, It is so squishy though. Really, really, really squishy. It's an Aran weight, so it's a 4 weight, and oh, it's lovely. It's just lovely. So I got 1, 2. I'm putting them in the corner. Not put baby in the corner. 3, 4. I think there's one more somewhere. Humongous bag. I might come across another one. Thought I got 5, but I may be mistaken in this, you know, perhaps. So then, did I tell you everything there is to know? I think I did. Moving on. Some of these you haven't seen because in the shopping video I didn't kind of look at them hard enough. So, but this one you did, and I love this. And I did get it last time I was there in the mauve, which I've moved, as it was here. But I moved it, and so I decided to get this in the blue. Oh, look at that. And it is so soft. Now this is number 1, Serdar number 1, Stonewashed Aran. So 4 weight, and it's by the West Yorkshire. I think it's West Yorkshire. Well, it just says West Yorkshire. Established. That's where Serdar from, I guess. I suppose. And I can't read that. But it is 50% acrylic and 50% nylon. Beautiful. And this number is 0803. But lovely, absolutely lovely and soft. Now these are 100-gram balls. They don't look it, do they? But it's the way that they've kind of wound them. They're really shorter than most. So if you look at this, you know, it doesn't look as if it's going to be 100 grams. I know it's a 4 weight rather than a 3, but still, Aran weight is usually the same size ball. But I think I've got 5 of these altogether. I got 5 of the purple one last time, or the mauve one, so I decided to get 5 of this blue this time. I really need to kind of go with something clearer in mind of what I'm going to make and get the quantity to make it. I'm not very well organised, am I? So, sticking with the West Yorkshire, Women's Institute, they were on a 3 for 2, as you probably remember. So I got 3 of these to try. Excuse me, my voice is going. Now this is Soft and Cuddly DK, and it's a 50-gram ball. They are 125 metres and 100% acrylic. And I got a grey and a lovely mauve, and then one that was a variegated grey, because I thought they all look really nice together. So yeah, really like those. And this was, what's the colour on this one? Nearly forgot to tell you. Shade is 71423 grey mix on this one. Isn't it lovely? Really nice subtle colours, and it is the squishiest, softest thing. I was so blown away by how soft everything was. Most things anyway. And all these are exclusive to Hobbycraft apparently. And so yeah, this one is called well, Cuddly Grey, or 70416, and again all the same 120 metres, 100% acrylic, and it's somewhere, I think it's machine washable. So that's the Cuddly Grey. And this one, was it Cuddly Mauve by any chance? Lilac, and it's 70409. But just beautiful colour. I absolutely love that. Just feels so, it's going to be gorgeous to work with. I can feel it. I can just sort of feel it as I'm touching it. So remember, did I show you the Get Your Fluff On? I think I did. I did buy a couple of Get Your Fluff Ons, and I thought they were 3 for 2. They possibly weren't, but I did get this contrasting colour. So I got 2 of this colour and 1 of this pink. Or that was the only one they had, so I had to accept the one that was all kind of mismatched. So this is just fashion yarn, so it doesn't give me a size, but I always feel that the thing that I made last time with something similar to this, the fluff made it an Aran, like a 4 weight, and I can't see anything on this yarn bands. I hate them when they go right round. You can't see anything. So it's hand washable, I think, this one, and it is oh sorry, thought it was a bit much. 225 meters and 50 grams. Can't really read anything when it's around the back there, but I don't want to break it. So that is weird. Why would that say white? Nothing. 44% acrylic and 26% polyamide, 15% merino and 15% alpaca. But they are just gorgeous. So this pink one, which has a bit seen better days really, it's just called Pink. Again, all the same gubbins, but lovely. Oh, they look really nice together actually. Kind of a nice contrasting colour. So I got those. And I could not, absolutely could not resist these. Oh, although they're so soft. These are the Mandala ombres, and it's 150 grams, 4 weight, and acrylic. So soft though. Feels more like a premium, and it's called Tranquil. Tranquil, really. Don't look very tranquil to me. Looks jazzy, positively jazzy. But they're beautiful, they really are. They're just like, oh, Princess Leia. Sorry, I digress. Now, I bought this for Sophia for Christmas because I don't know if you ever had this when you were young, but I used to play with one of these, and it was my very first start into knitting. And you just basically loom knit all the way around, make a big long snake. But there's that, and I bought her a little ball of the sugar and cream variegated. This was just £2, and you know what? This knitting dolly was £2 in Hobbycraft, but in Dunelm it was like £6 or so, 6 or 7. Crazy, just crazy. So this one, this is the Lily cotton, 2 ounce, which is 56.7 grams. And I like this. I was going to actually get some for myself, but I didn't. Psychedelic. Yep, it definitely is. And beautiful, really. But I thought she can't hurt this yarn, if you know what I mean. It's just sturdy yarn. Sturdy yarn. So I'm coming to an end of my big bag. But as I was leaving, I noticed the aisle ends, and there was this sparkling yarn just calling to me. And do you remember last time I went to Hobbycraft, I bought the Shawl We Dance. It was their version of Shawl in a Ball. Well, they've changed it, and they've changed it to this, and so I had to just give it a try. It's called Winner Makes the Shawl, not Winner Takes It All. Winner Makes the Shawl. But look at that. Look at those colours. It's got this gold glitz. I don't know, I kind of like it though. 735 meters. They reckon that it will do a whole shawl. Just says fashion. Pattern inside, only 1 ball required, but that pattern will probably be knitted, as they usually are. I think it is machine washable very mildly. And trying to find, here we are, 98 acrylic and 2% metallic. But what colour is that? Did I tell you? Didn't know. It's pink mix. And then I got this one, which is slightly different, because these were 3 for 2. So I figured it'd be silly not to get 3. Again, all the same stuff, meters and stuff. This one's called Rainbow. Really? Oh yeah, I guess there's kind of rainbow colours in there. Look, I guess you'd have to have the whole thing before you see it. But then I saw this one and just had to get this. And I shall tell you the name of this one before I show it to you, because it is special. This is just, well, cream grey. No, it's black, white, grey. That's definitely white, not cream. But isn't that just gorgeous? I love that one. Absolutely love it. Wowza. And look how soft these are. They're just incredibly soft. So yeah, I got loads. and heaven above knows where I shall put it. But I did have things in mind for everything I bought, you know, apart from the fact that I got 3 of these. Well, they were 3 for 2. They're just lovely. They're beautiful colours. They're stunning. And they kind of wound this in a different way to the Shawl We Dance. But this is Winner Makes the Shawl. And I really like this one now. I kind of like them all when I see them, but this is the first one that caught my eye. Isn't it just scrumptious? So yeah, it was silly not to get 3. I said 3 for 2. Buy 2, you just got 1 for free. Fabulous stuff. So I hope you like it all. And I did intend just to buy a little bit, but it really didn't work out that way. And I blame these personally, because as soon as I saw them, I just thought, oh, I know they're a little bit more, but I had to get them. And then I just started seeing how soft everything was, and my head got turned. My head got turned, what can I say? So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. I had a little jaunt as well to Poundland, and they had something different, but I will show you that another time because it's not in here. So I'll do another little video at some point and show you that. So thank you for watching, and stay safe, take care, and wow, I'm still in love with this yarn. You know, it's just like sweeties candy, isn't it? It's just, isn't that amazing? Just, I know that if I just want to keep it looking like this, and if I use it, I'll spoil it. And I know that, you know, you make garments and you make things and it won't spoil it, but you know, if you make that, it's not going to look like that, is it? I don't know, I just love it. So pretty. Best ornaments there are. So I just need to make some space. I've got a little mandala section there, and it needs brightening up with a cheerful colour, doesn't it? So thank you for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye for now.